Good morning, Choco.
Waiting.
She is not waiting.
She just had the speaker on.
She's fine. Okay. It is 23 December 2022, and Choco and I were doing something really crazy. We're driving from Iwakuni all the way to Nagano and back in the snow. Everyone says that we're crazy. They keep reminding us that they have trains in Japan as well. So we're gonna go. We're leaving Himeji tonight, going to Shirakawa-go, going to spend a couple nights there. Then we're. It's daytime right now. Okay, but okay. Smarty pants. Anyways, so then we're gonna spend 2 nights at Shirakawa-go. And then we're going to go to Jigokudani, the monkey park, for a night. And then we're going to go to Nagano for 2 nights, and Matsumoto for 2 nights, right? And Gero Onsen for a night, and Nara for another night, and come back to Iwakuni. So we have brand new snow tires, snow chains, 4x4, and a whole bunch of stupidity. So hopefully we make it, and let's see how it goes. So we are on our way to Shirakawa-go. We spent the night at Himeji. We just drove from Iwakuni to Himeji, just to shorten the trip, and then to try to arrive to Shirakawa-go at a decent time. Obviously it's snowing, so let's see how that goes the entire trip. This is the Otsu service area. Choco Light has this book with all the service areas and stamps, and so we always make a short stop and collect a stamp. Approaching the Japanese Alps, or Japan Alps. How do you say it correctly, John?
For 26 kilometers, continue straight.
Alps, Japanese Alps. And there's snow up there. We have about 2 hours to make it to Shirakawa-go. No snow on the road yet, but we expect quite a bit of snow. But the funny thing is that in Iwakuni, it's snowing, and we left Iwakuni. So we just stopped at a service area, and Choco bought a new book with the highway stamps. And where are we at now? Go to service area. So flip to the front page. Front page, there you go. So normally you can ask at the counter, they have this book, and then you just find the service area. And does this have a number? Sometimes you have a number right there somewhere, doesn't it? No? Are you sure? Oh, so you just have to find lanes. And I also just realized that in here you can find some traffic information. I never really paid attention because we never drove in the snow a whole lot, but here it'll give you the recommended on the left on the legend if you need snow tires or require snow tires and chains. They'll give you the highway information, whether there's road closures or not. So pretty handy to stop by at the road stop and check the road conditions. Okay, so we just made a quick stop here at Hirogano Kogen service area, which is about 45 minutes or so to our destination for today. Say ryokan near Shirakawa-go. And as soon as we cross the mountains to hear the Alps, it started snowing pretty good. So far we don't have to put on our snow chains, but maybe later. But we're close to our destination, so hopefully we'll be fine. It's snowing quite nice. This is snow country here, so it's to be expected. Choco's inside getting her stamp for this service area. She got a new book, so now there's plenty of stamps to fill. Okay, well, hopefully we'll be to our hotel or ryokan in about an hour or less. Alright, so we made it safely to our hotel, which is Hotel Kikori in Hida. It's a 3-star ryokan with a restaurant. It has pretty good reviews on hotels.com, like 8.4 out of 10. It was snowing, a little icy. I'm kind of slippery around right now. It's about 4 p.m. so it's starting to get a little dark. But uneventful, the drive. There's a hotel. Our trusty Murano made it just fine. There's no tires and chains, so I'm not worried about it. Beautiful mountains. It's supposed to be snowing tomorrow as well, so we might wake up to some more snow. But tomorrow we are spending the night at another hotel in Shirakawa-go, and it's not that far from here. This place has an outside onsen, which I fully expect to be enjoying later. Pretty much you're butt naked outside, but in the hot onsen is quite nice. That's why monkeys at the monkey park enjoy it as well. They know best, which we'll be seeing those in about 3 days from now. Let's make it inside and check in. Yes, we just finished checking into our room. Really nice room. Dinner comes included and breakfast. And there's a outside onsen, which we'll be enjoying shortly after dinner. This is a view from our room. Beautiful, beautiful area, and we're just started. So far the road is not too bad. I mean, obviously it's snow, but no slipping or sliding or anything like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and actually let's show the room before we make a big mess in our room. There's a room, 2 beds. Normally we get 2 beds because it's just more comfortable that way. That's what happens when you've been married 30-some years, right, Choco? We don't snuggle up anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that time lapse there on for a while so you watch the sunset. Choco. Can't wait to get you in my tummy. And the food keeps on coming. We got some fish here and some tempura. And our meat is cooking there. It's starting to boil. Okay, so I stuck my camera into the onsen. This is you can hear the girls next door. They're just right over there. Sounds like they're Filipino. But Yeah, so I snuck my camera in here. And it's cold as crap. Obviously I'm butt naked. Losing my cojones off here. But the outside onsen is definitely the best. And the cold, because it's cold, but it's nice and warm in the water. This was actually kind of small, but it's good enough. I'm going to probably stay here as long as I can. Usually could only take 10-15 minutes, but since it's cold outside, you could only stay longer. That's the best part. And obviously, I need to turn off my camera here soon, but I'm all by myself, so that's obviously, I guess, acceptable for now. So this is what a onsen natural springs look like. It's about 9 p.m. I'll probably expect someone to come in here shortly, maybe. Okay, I'm enjoying this onsen.